So you're not the guy people silently admire as he walks by. You're not the one who shifts the mood of the room without saying a word. You're not the man she thinks about before you've even spoken. But you could be. And you will be, if you dial this in. This video isn't some cheesy guide to faking confidence. This is about becoming the kind of man whose energy makes people pause. The kind of man whose calm, confidence, and self-respect are so real, so grounded, that others start questioning themselves. Let's break it down. Step 1. Kill the need to impress. Let's eliminate the biggest mistake right out the gate. When you seek validation, everyone feels it. You laugh too loud. You talk too fast. You're hoping people like what you just said. And that energy? It reeks of desperation. True presence begins the moment you stop chasing reactions. You don't need to prove you're interesting. You already are. Why? Because you value your own attention more than anyone else's. And when you walk into a room with that mindset, people notice immediately. Step 2. Become selectively unavailable. Here's the truth. Scarcity breeds value. You don't need to be cold or rude, but you should never feel too accessible. If you're always the first to speak, the first to react, the first to chase, you lose your mystery. Speak slower, pause before responding, let people wonder what you're thinking. Don't text back instantly, don't scramble to explain yourself. Move like a man with 10 priorities. And somehow they still made the cut. They won't even know why your attention means so much. But it will. That's the power of selective presence. Step 3. Own your space like you built it. Your body speaks louder than your words. Most people shrink themselves, arms crossed, head down, fidgeting. It's like they're waiting to be dismissed. You do the opposite. Expand. Relaxed posture, smooth movements, shoulders open, chin up. You're not in a rush. You're not adjusting your sleeves for no reason. You move like you belong, even if you've never been in the room before. Act like you designed the space. Not arrogant, not loud, just grounded. And that energy commands respect without a word. Step 4. Build quiet discipline. If you want real confidence, long-term cool, build a life that you are obsessed with. You don't need to post it. You don't need to talk about it. Just wake up early, train like it's a ritual, read things that sharpen your mind, master your craft, avoid drama like poison. And what happens? Your energy shifts. You don't flinch under pressure. You're not easily shaken. You're not trying to control the room, because you already control yourself. And that self-respect, it leaks out of you, in the way you walk, the way you sit, the way you breathe. People won't know your routine, but they'll feel the result of it. So no, you're not here to be liked. You're not here to chase validation. You're here to become the kind of man who's so calm, so focused, so grounded, that people can't help but notice. Some will envy you. Some will desire you. Some won't know how to act around you. Good, now go, and stop waiting for permission to be unstoppable.